Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a post on Offerup. So if you're looking at how to delete a post on Offerup, then this video is for you. So first, what you want to do is open up the Offerup page, and it's going to land and look like this. On the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on My Listings. And so this is where you're going to see all your listings, okay? So right now I have it archived. I'm just going to click on For Sale. So this is where you're going to see all of your listings. And so depending on which listing you want to actually delete, what you can do is that you could actually click on the listing itself. So let's pretend I want to delete this BMW 3 Series cargo net. Click on the listing itself, then click on the three dots, and then click on Archive. That's one way to do it as far as deleting a post on Offerup goes. The other way you could actually do it is that on this page, you could actually scroll to the left and then see how on the right hand side it says archive now. You can also archive it that way. So there's two ways to do it. I personally like scrolling to the left and then clicking on archive, and then the listing is deleted. So that's how you delete a post on Offerup. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do leave them down below. But I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. That's how you delete a post on Offerup.